Cleaning of pharmaceutical instruments after a product has been manufactured is critical to ensure that the subsequent products to be manufactured are not contaminated. The removal of the residues of the previous product from manufacturing equipment is known as cleaning. If the whole process of cleaning is documented, it is referred to as cleaning validation. Cleaning validation is a proof that the cleaning process is effective to remove all residues of the product that are manufactured. Cleaning agents those were used during the cleaning process and prevents microorganisms from developing. Cleaning validation is a critical process in ensuring the equipment and facilities used in the production of pharmaceutical and other regulated are free from contaminants. Here are the important basics of cleaning validation.